Okay, for today's project I got this is the seat back, this is the driver's side, that would be the passenger side, that I'm going to recover. I bought a recovering kit, I got to see what's in it. I got a hog ring pliers kit and some hog rings, and I don't think it's going to take much more than that as far as tools to get the job done. I'm also going to do the seat bottom, and what's happened to the seat bottom is it got ripped through, but then what the problem is I'm finding, the reason I'm starting this project is because the sunlight is eating the foam. I thought it'd be okay, and I came back to the truck and it's eating the foam away. I don't know if you can see how cupped out that is, but the sunlight is degrading it, so sooner or later I'll be sitting on the springs. So we don't want that. This is for a 90 Chevy full-size pickup truck. There's anything from the bench seat with headrest. You got to know which kit you're ordering. This one is just standard bench, no headrest. It's not the 60/40. It's not the buckets. You got to get the kit to fit the seat you have. So let me open the box and see what we have in here. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure it came with the stuff on the back that I was supposed to take the back off, and it does. I might take a quick read of the instructions, but most of it I'm sure is pretty straightforward. It's actually zippered, both going up the back and along the whole bottom, it looks like. So maybe that's to help ease installation. Not sure why they ran this long like this. I have to figure that out. It's that way on both sides, so there must be a reason. I see some Velcro here. Whole strip of it. Alright, well that looks pretty straightforward. Let's see how this old one comes off. So the new one, it just looks like it's all zippers. This obviously doesn't have any zippers. It has hog rings tying it to each other. And the metal bar goes this way. So I'm going to try just opening them up. Yeah, that'll work. I might just cut that to get it off. It's probably going to be the easiest way. Just slice it. No going back now. Alright. That wasn't so bad. Not quite sure why you need that Velcro, but I guess I'll take the adhesive back off of it and put it on there. Still don't understand that part. Maybe I will. Not bad. So the original didn't have this piece here. I don't think it's that important, but just in case it is, I'm going to leave it run long. There's a little loop I can put it through here. The only one on the seat, so it might be there for that. I don't know. Obviously this piece isn't really doing anything, but maybe it's supposed to run underneath there and pull tight to keep it out, to keep the seat parts out of the mechanism. I don't think this seat actually even folds, so I don't know what that would be all about. Maybe it just keeps it tucked up so you can put the bolt in. I don't know. Like this, what do you do with all that? You don't need it, but if you ever needed to get the zipper off again, you'd need that end, so I don't know. Try to put it through like the other side, if I can. Well, it's actually a little floppy, but it is what it is. This is it's upside down right now, but looks like new, so that's good. So here's it sitting upright. It turned out real good. They definitely give it to you a little puffier than it would have had to been. Even if I would have left the old one on, you could have just put this one right over it. Actually, that may have been the design of it, but it wouldn't have got any bigger or smaller. Well, it made it a little smaller, I suppose, taking the old one off. But it turns out you could have left it on. The seat bottom is going to be more challenging because that one has to come off. That one is done with hog rings, and that I'll have to do a separate day because I have to buy some foam. I don't have any right now, so I'll just put this video out of doing the seat bottom, back, and then I'll do the bottom in a separate video because I'm going to have to patch in some foam.